back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Andrea Racquel and welcome to my channel. So I'm back at y'all with another haul, as you already know, and of course it's gonna be summer edition because we're still in hot girl summer, so we gotta come with the mother looks. You know, it's just a little sneak peek for y'all, but now we're gonna come with a huge summer haul. We got a little bit of Shein, I got a little bit of Blush Mark. I actually tried them out for the first time because I've been kind of seeing them, you know, around social media, so I said, you know what, let me give them a shot. And of course, you know, we got my Forever 21, but we'll get into all the details once we get into the haul, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Y'all been seeing it everywhere. I'm pretty sure y'all seen it all over social media, but I just fell in love with this trend and I had to because it just screams, like I said, Y2K, and Y2K is the vibes this summer. So I got this chocolate halter top from Shein, and it's in a size, I believe, 1X. No, I'm sorry, 2X. And it actually does have a good bit of support. I was kind of a little iffy because sometimes with Shein, you just never know, especially in the bust area because I am a very busty girl. So I was kind of like iffy if it was going to fit. But when I tried it on, I said, you know what? With some pasties, it ain't too bad. With some pasties, or if you duct tape it, however you do the girls, you know, it can definitely still come through for the look. It has this little wiring in the middle, so it kind of helps support the girls up a little bit. So I did appreciate it. And it has the under wiring as well. As you can see in the boob area, it has that under wiring as well. So it came through. So I only paid about, I want to say, under 15 for this top. So definitely recommend this. I have another top from Shein as well, and it's another kind of trendy piece too. But it's this like tank top or crop top, but it's like got like a little woo 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 going on in the middle, which I love, and it's got like the studded chain as a crisscross in the middle, so it does show a bit of cleavage when you put it on. But I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love the style of it, I love the color. Vary between 1X and 2X. I go off, you know, of course, the reviews and stuff like that, but this one was good to go for me in a 1X. So I did purchase this for under 15 as well. Like, it's definitely a steal if you want to look cute and trendy for this melanin top. I thought this was really cute. I wanted some more graphic tees, so when I saw this, I said, this is really cute, fits me, it's me, period. So I copped this from Blush Mark. So this is one of the Blush Mark pieces that I purchased, and it honestly did look exactly like the picture, because sometimes I know with that Blush Mark, some things could be hit or miss. So with this one, it was definitely a hit. It says melanin at the top, and then it has a little like drip going down, which I thought was cute. And this one was under 15 as well, as you already know from Blush Mark. Cute little shirt or cute little top tee, which I also got from Blush Mark. This top here, it's got like the acid wash tie-dye effect going on with the top, and then it says stay humble, hustle hard, which I thought was a good quote to stand by. And then it also is under 15. Then when it comes to plus size, they either do like extra large or 1X. So this one ended up being a 1X, and I believe the melanin shirt was about either a 1X or an XL. One of them chill fits if you want like a little chill vibe. That would be cute to wear for the summer. The next item I have is this gorgeous two-piece set dress. It was obviously trending for this summer. When I saw this, I said, I like the take that Shein did with this. So obviously I got this from Shein, and it was under 15, of course. And I love the color of it. I don't have like a burnt orange type of color in my closet. So when I saw this, I said, I definitely have to cop. And I feel for us plus size ladies, you know, this is very complimentary for our shape. Like, I feel like it does expose what needs to be exposed. You feel me? I got this in a 2X, and I think because I went off the reviews, I just wanted to make sure I had enough space when I got it. So I went with a 2X, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I will say in the bust area, it is a little tight, especially if you're a very busty girl like I am. Kind of depends, especially if you're wearing a bra with it. You know, definitely be, you know, on point with what bra you wear, because it is a little tight up top, and then it has like the little ball, you know, attachment at the top, so it does, you know, come up and make it a halter, where it's going to cause it to have a little more tightness. So just be mindful about that. But for the most part, I'm obsessed with this dress. And it also has a slit, which I appreciate as well, on the side of the leg, just to give you a little more room. You can dress it up, down, however you want to go about it. But I just think that this is a good staple to have in your closet, especially for the summer. Here are bottoms I wanted to share are the ones I got from Forever 21. So these I couldn't find in the plus size section. They only had them in the regular size section. So I just said, you know what, let me look at the reviews. I looked at the reviews. The girls were saying that it was still stretchy and it gave a lot of room. I might could finesse myself into extra large. So they didn't have extra larges, but they did have a large. But I'm kind of glad I went with the large, because it fits like a glove. It fits just right. And I feel like if I would have went one size up, it would have been too big. I think I only paid under 15. I think they were like 11. Super comfortable, and I love the style because look here, you see this little tail piece? This is the part that you wrap around your waist, and it gives you a little waistline kind of vibe, you know what I'm saying? So I really like this trend. I saw it kind of going around this summer, and I was like, you know what, I need to invest and look into these pants because I feel like they would really give my body yada yada, you know, realness. It has like the flare bottoms, which I really like. They're very long, so if you're a tall girl like me, you're good to go with the length of these pants. They're very long, and it still would fit the plus size girlies because the way the fabric is very stretchy. I'm obsessed with them. They had them in a different color. They had them like I think in an olive color too, but I wanted black because you know black is schmexy. So cop these. Their pants I got were from Blushmark, which are these like patterned pants, so you have an idea, because it does look like a denim material online, but in person it's actually like a spandexy leggings kind of material. Yes, I do like them though, because I was iffy about it at first, but then the more I wore them, I was like, you know what, I kind of am feeling it, and I like that they stretch, you know. And then they have this drawstring at the front that you can tie and tighten them up to your liking, and then they do come super duper long. Now that's one thing the website did get right. They're super duper long because they're supposed to have that stacked look. They will provide, because these pants go long. They like cover almost my whole foot, so that is a good sign. So they do have that long stacked kind of feel, especially if you're a short girl. You'll definitely get that stacked look. Because I'm tall, it just comes very long, but stacking isn't like super duper stacked. It's kind of like in between. But I did get these pants in the largest size it came in. I think it was XL or 1XL, between those two sizes. So I copped these, and they're very roomy, very spacious. They fit like a glove. They still give you that kind of cute vibe, and I'm obsessed with these. And I paid, again, under, I think it was like 15 or 16 I paid for these pants. Compared to their regular pricing, that was a steal. So definitely look into Blushmark. For Blushmark, I was like, y'all coming through, low-key. Y'all really coming through. I was kind of iffy about Blushmark, but they've been satisfying me. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to come back and get into y'all again. My last pair of pants is another Blushmark piece, which are just some cute basic brown biker shorts. Biker shorts, they're a spandexy material, so they do kind of panty lining and stuff like that. So I would suggest maybe if you don't want that to show, either wear a longer shirt when you wear these, or wear maybe a thong under. They are kind of see-through because of that spandexy material, just to give you guys an idea. I'm fit regardless, but cop these. They're super comfortable though. Definitely love the color, and they're under $5. Honestly, I paid literally only $4 for these pair of pants, so definitely a steal. Just something cute and easy to put on for the summer. Leopard platform. So these I got from Charlotte Russe. I wanted to go ahead and get these leopard prints because I've been eyeing them for the longest, and when I saw that deal, I said I got to cop. And plus they were like in the style leopard that I like, and then also they had like this little white trim going on, and I thought that was cute. And then it's got like this little back heel kind of thing going on, which I think will give you more support when you wear them. So definitely had to cop these. I only paid, I want to say, $25 for these. Now 25 is cheap, trust and believe, because anywhere else I looked, it's going to be about 30 up. So for 25, I said I can work with them, and they're really comfortable. They're pretty padded at the bottom. They give you a cute little height, and I'm obsessed with these. So definitely gonna be seeing me wearing these this summer, period. So the first accessory I wanted to show is this cute boot bag. I got this for Forever 21. So this was about $22. So look at this bag. Like, isn't it everything? Now these didn't come included. I eventually added that on. But the bag itself is from Forever 21. It also comes with this drawstring, and then it also has like the two little, holders here. And then it does have a lot of space. It has 3 slots in it. So it has like the main section in the middle, and it has 2 zipper pockets on the sides, which I appreciate. But yeah, Forever 21 came through with this bag, and it also came in another color, like a nude color, but I wanted more of a fun summer color. So these glasses here, as you can see, I'll give you a chance to look at the arms. Aren't they so cute? Like, throw them over so you get the idea. Everything. And these are from Shein, and they were about under, I think they were under 10, I believe, with every outfit. And it's just a good little staple to have if you want to be on your, your bougie bad bitch vibes. It's just, that's the style that it gives. So Shein, it comes with a case, so you can always put them back in this case and you're good to go. And the last accessory I want to show are these hoop earrings. As you can see, I'm obsessed with these. As you know, these are trending also. I got these from Forever 21, and they were under $5, I believe, as well. 90s earrings, that bangled style, which y'all know, a 90s baby or a 90s kid growing up, you used to see your mama wear these all the time, which, look, I used to see my mama and my auntie wearing these. So I was like, I gotta cop down that they back in style. And I had my own pair when I was a kid, but I was like, definitely gotta cop them now. But yes, from Forever 21, they came through on their online store. Like I always tell y'all, mess with their online store because they come with the deals, and they got better selection, in my opinion. And that was the end of this haul. If you made it to this point of the video, then I really appreciate you. As y'all already know, stay chill. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I would truly appreciate it. And make sure you click that bell, because why wouldn't you? Period. Until I see y'all next Sunday. Bye. Bye.